Hey guys, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? So today I want to cover a very important subject which has been in my mind for a very long time. It's about the ownership of the property. When you buy a property, whether you're buying the property only in your name or you're buying it jointly with your parents for capital gains reasons, you're buying a property jointly with your brother or sister, you're buying a property with your wife as a co-owner. So in all the situations, in a situation of your death or the co-owner's death, there's a lot of legal claims around a property. So you need to ensure you have a proper legal hire certificate made for yourself, not from a local lawyer and all. It has to be done through a tehsildar office. You need to ensure that you have an understanding of the taxation impacts on when you sell the property. If something happens to you tomorrow and if the property is only in your name, the claimant of the property is your entire family, your wife, your children. If suppose you bought a property with your wife and something happens tomorrow to you or to your wife, the claimants is one of the spouse and the children. If the children are minor, then till the time you really get a court order from the court, you cannot sell the property. It's again a very lengthy process. If you have bought a property with your parents, then you need to ensure that you need to know that your brother, sister, your mother, everybody has a claim on the property. So if you think that might be a trouble situation for you in future, you should actually get a proper will drafted from a lawyer, get it registered. Ensure that whenever you have multiple properties and ownership issues are there in the property, money and property are such things that there'll be claims in future. So always safeguard yourself, consult a lawyer while you are alive, to ensure that all the documents and everything is in place, so that whoever you want to be a legal hire tomorrow does not really face too much of problems in trying to sell. Because when they sell, there are tax liabilities which are involved. There are a lot of formalities around the paperwork which is involved. So ensure you do all paperwork thoroughly while you are alive, especially when you have multiple properties. Consult a lawyer. They will guide you right on how to get the documentation done. Only registered documents and documents issued by government officers are valid documents. If you think you get a notarized affidavit or document, it doesn't have any value. So please ensure everything is in place whenever you buy multiple properties. And for anything else, I am anyways there. You can always reach out to me. I'm there on LinkedIn as Piyush Agarwal. I am on Instagram as Piyush the Mortgage Guy. I'm on YouTube as Piyush the Mortgage Guy. Ask me any questions around property finance and property advisory on how to go about the structuring of a transaction. I'll be very happy to answer you at any point of time. Thank you so much. Keep showering love how you're already doing it. Thanks a lot.